Hello all you beauts. We're back out dipping. So let's see what we can get today.
Hi everybody, so we've got now Rusty, we've got now Nigel. Nigel went out on his own. We've been doing our own different things, but me and Nicola, Marie, and I think the Silver Fox is coming later, have come out, so it's my first find. That is one big piece of rebar. That is thick. There we go, another big piece of, it's too heavy to be hollow. And you can see the ridging on there, so it's very similar to what I've just had.
Bit of a road sign.
Yeah.
Another bit of the sign. Weird. An umbrella. There we go. Graham's getting all the trolleys out.
Morrison's and the Sainsbury's. So it's had two trolleys out, one Morrison's, one Sainsbury's. We just had some housing out. I'm sure this is, looks like it's off a motorbike.
Somebody's clip-on toy.
Staying on the theme of trolleys, there we go. It's pulled out where you put the money in. And now £1 coin. Typical. I've just found Stanley's blade. So I'm going to, obviously because that's going to go in the scrap, I should just tap the blade out of that and then put it into the trolley. So there we go guys, I've took the blade out of it. So we can just put it into the scrap. Don't want that being on the streets if some kids get hold of it.
What is it?
That's a pump off a water pump possibly got. There we go guys, so we've got some family of swans. So I've only got the two. We usually see them with like 4 to 6, but probably had a foul clutch or something, but there's 2 babies, mum and dad. So it is quite clean here guys, believe it or not. So I don't know how long we're going to be here. I just want to show you something because this just proves that if I can take the camera off the stand, when you see things like this, again I'm going to go off and do my wildlife thing, but when you get things like this, we've got a mother moor hen sitting on her eggs there, look. Makes it all worthwhile. I have seen her eggs. She's got 5 eggs. She's sitting there looking at me as if to say don't go any near her, or else I'll pick your ankles off. But yeah, so this is why we do what we do. Yeah, there's bits of rubbish around the nest, but at least they're succeeding. The water here, to be fair, is quite clean. There's a good amount of weed in here for them to feed. So yeah, come back to you in a bit guys.
Oh! What you got? What you got? You ain't. Little spanner. Let's have a look.
Yeah. I can't believe it. Another cannonball. I think that's what they call the minion, because it's smaller than the falconet. So I'm over the moon, 2-incher.
I'm attracted to you.
Poor goody, needs a good clean. can't believe it.
That's going to come down from the cannon.
From the cannon?
The
Close,
cannon,
isn't it?
where the mud, the cannon was over that way, and it will have rolled
So they
down
can be
over the
anywhere then.
years.
They can just be anywhere.
Yeah. It will have rolled down over the years, that will.
Oh, I'm happy with that. With me 70 as well.
Sure.
Oh.
Oh, that looks like it's the handle off one of them old lanterns. There we go.
I've just pulled up this tied up bag and there's something magnetic at the bottom, so let's undo it and have a look.
Oh, I've got a shot.
There you go.
A bit of shot.
Ooh, guys. So there's that white stuff.
What stuff?
So it's the foil that's magnetic there, guys. There's not a coin in there like I thought there was going to be. I don't know what that white stuff is, so I'm just going to get it on my gloves. Naughty, naughty. Big knife blade there, look. So I've just found a kid's scooter. I think I'm going to take that back and clean it up. It's in good condition. Got an old car wheel trim there, guys. Still got a lot of chrome left on it. Don't know how old that one is, but I wouldn't say it's modern. So I've just pulled out that. This is a gas tank, obviously. It's got an hole in it, so that's obviously been exploded or something. That has, but or it's just wore away. But yeah, big gas tank. Right, so I found some broderie, should I say? Broderie. Yeah, so these are what they put over the horses' eyes when they're travelling on the roads. Now, that one's a bit gone. And that one's a bit gone, but they'll just go in the rubbish. But yeah, it just shows you. We do, in this area, there's a lot of scrap men use the horses. So they will come off the horses' eyes. There you go. So guys, we've moved to another bridge that we've done before. It's an old train bridge, so we're going to try here already. I don't know if I saw some jig hooks from off the factory where they hang stuff for powder coating. But it looks very industrial. We've got one of them. And we've got one of them. And if it wasn't time, we've got a track bolt. It is as well. Taking this one out there, rifle.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, there's your underlever, look. Yeah. There's your underlever. It would have cocked right up, you fell in the end, cocked back up.
Oh, hi.
Look at the barrel off an old air rifle there. But it's too far gone for me to do anything with that, so I'll print and scrap. some kind of a bracket there, look guys. Very heavy. Old iron. A piece of old iron there, scrap. There's the top now, good. There's the chamber. Top of the surgery, surgeon's envelope. What many benefits we've got, I'll level it. They've been dumping the wood off the trains.
Sorry, mate.
Alright, mate, no problem.
Cheers. Thank you.
God, look at the bad. Oh. I thought the dog was cute when I saw the baby and that was it. So I've just pulled out this. And there is the chamber for the bullets. And it is the top of an old Webley. Oh, it's the old factory lights from back in the day.
Is it?
Yeah. Light cover.
Shades.
Light shade. An old factory light shade there, guys. Shame I couldn't get it out all. Because my friend Drew Pritchard, he'd have bought that off me. But nah, such is life. Very broken, very rusty, and very far gone.
Glenn? Can you come and have a look at this, Bob? Can you come and have a look at this?
Where's your bag?
No, sir.
Without it.
Oh, that's okay.
Go for try, go for try. Still find it easy.
Oh, it's glass.
What?
That top bit's glass.
Leave it there for now then. Knock it down.
that's unusual. Look at that. I mean, it could be something off the railway, because it's right above us. But yeah, look at that. Mad. But it's attached to that. Pull that out. I have no clue what it is. It's like that on the back. Oh, it looks like some kind of wheel. That is some kind of drain cover, drain system. So there you go.
So, had a biking tryout earlier, as you can see it's dried out. 2 railway clips. 1, 2, a washer which is broke, square nut, old like bracket there, and it's off an old toilet cistern or something. And an old car bumper, look, the old metal ones from back in the day. The old waste plastic back in them days, it was all metal. So that's that. It's small enough really to pass me off a Mini. It's not very wide. So,
hello everyone. Out on a Monday, making me fishing. Ain't that good? And the sun's shining. So that's good. Couple of first finds. We've got an exhaust off a moped. Old 2-stroke one by the looks of it. Quite heavy that is. And that's that bit off the typewriter where you go tap 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 zzz, tap 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 zzz. That's my weekly sound effect for today. See you later.
Better than my harmonica.
What's that? World's smallest horseshoe. It's like a unicorn or something.
you later, mate. You'll you go.
Okay, we got a baby bath from back in the day. That's had some use.
We're finding all stuff for Nicola, you know.
Yeah, that's a Nicola bath.
That is a big bath for Nicola.
Nicola and friend would probably fit in there. And Marie found this in 2 parts, but it's actually 1 part, which is a light.
Oh,
So it's got the probably off the front of a boat. I would say it's got the bracket underneath there. Look, so it would have been on the boat like that, I guess.
I mean, you had it in 2 pieces and I thought it was a sandwich maker.
Well, she only pulled that out. She pulled that out first, and I went, "Oh, it's a light that is." And she went, "No, it's not. Looks like a cooking dish." Very next throw, she pulls that out, and I said, "I think I was right."
See?
So yeah, there was that. There was my manifold. Have you taken that
I'll
up?
take that up for the scrap if you want.
Did you say that
Yeah, I've took that up.
Have you?
I didn't realise. So we've got these look like cable cutters of some kind, but they've had it too far gone. So we've got that. I think that's off the bike. Old handle off a knife. Piece of pipe. And a horseshoe for Nicola. My Little Pony. I don't know what it is. It's not a magnet, so yeah, little horseshoe. Right, everyone, from this lovely little bridge here, we've had enough. We're going home. So, goodbye to Nicola. Like and subscribe to her channel, Dudley Dippers. And then down here we've got the Silver Fox, and down there's Marie. We are now literally going to pack up. So yeah, we've had a few items of interest. All the rest is for the scrap man. We're going to put that up there on the bridge. Yeah, so until next time, guys, hopefully the Outcast will be back together, and I shall see you next week. Hello everybody. Peaky Dippers, thank you for joining me on the premiere, guys, as normal. So I'm really just made a rude sound.
No, it wasn't me, it was you.
It was me.
Peaky bumpers.
Peaky bumpers. Yeah, so we went out with little Nicola on her own, didn't we?
Yep.
And Nigel went out on the Monday, didn't we? And Nigel went out on the Sunday, but we couldn't make it on the Sunday. Rusty couldn't come out because of his foot. So no, it's just because of his car, and he's had a lot of troubles lately. So anyway, so show the finds to what we got that day. I had
Mr. Fox came.
I had 5 little finds where I was over the moon with, to be fair. So, oh yeah, Mr. Fox came as well, didn't he?
Did you?
Yeah, he did.
A bit later in the day, but he came.
That's why I can't remember him coming, because I think it was about time as we were packing up. So, yes, I'll show the finds anyway. So we've got a normal little spanner. Don't know what size. Found a little button. Now I always bring these on just in case, because
To be sure.
But I'm thinking that that is just very modern. I need to have a pair of jeans.
Yeah.
So I bought it back just in case.
So it's best to check.
But you never know with buttons. Now we had this. Now this worried me because I thought this was one of Marie's little classics.
I didn't get that on camera actually.
But it is what's called a spod. So it's for fishing. So it is actually called a spod.
Right.
So that's what it's called. It's not a float. It's not a lure. It's I don't know what a spod is, but it's a spod. I'm not into normal fishing. But yeah, it's a little shark, look. And yeah, when Marie, I think you pulled this out, didn't you? Was it me?
No, it was you.
It was me, wasn't it?
You thought it was a wibbly wobbly again?
Thought it was a wibbly wobbly. You know what I mean? But now you've run out of them, like, didn't you?
Oh no, yeah.
Yeah, you're doing well with them. Right, so we got this. Now we was magnet fishing under quite a big train.
An old one as well, yeah.
Yeah, it was an old one. It was pulling loads of railway pins out and railway clips and stuff like that. Then we pulled out. Marie had this out, didn't you?
I got you to check it because I was a bit worried because it was in crust at first. I didn't see the light bit.
Yeah, so we got that. So I'll show you in a second on my phone, guys, what I think it is. Obviously railway related. So it's got the red light in the middle, and it's got some weight.
Well, I can put a picture up if you want.
It's going to be 2 kilo in weight.
I can put a picture up there.
Oh, I'll show you quickly on here.
Oh,
I'll do it like layman's way, you know what I mean?
Right.
But yeah, it's got some weight in it. It's probably 2 kg, that. Easy. It's got some weight in it. So I would have had a perdunk as it landed in the canal. But so I'll show you quickly what I think. It's not exactly the same one, but it's along the same lines. Is that thing there similar to that? Like a signal light. So it says on here, vintage Union Switch signal, railway signal light.
I'm 99% sure that is a signal light.
It's something along them lines.
Looking,
so,
you know.
I don't collect railway stuff, but if anybody does, they'll probably be able to tell us a bit more. But it's not nothing worth keeping. It's cracked. It's well crudded up. It's not something I'd keep.
It's a shame, that is.
Yeah, and I'm not passing it out to anyone because it weighs a ton.
I think I might have done that when I tried to get it off the magnet.
Yeah, but it happens anyway.
Yeah.
Then we was fishing. That bridge was where Nigel found a very old antique gun. It was in amazing condition, remember? And it was on one of his videos. It was the first one he found. Now, funny enough, I found this, and I thought at first a piece of water pipe or something, but then I noticed it had got holes where the bullets go. So I was a bit miffed, because if you look at the barrel to the gun and the sight, it's very short, but we've determined that this is a short, it's called a stub nose pistol, basically.
Oh, right.
So it's like a little handgun, but it's very short, probably 1-2 inch barrel on it at the most. So yeah, it's a little tiny snub nose barrel off a gun. Now, if you look there, There's no way a 9mm bullet would get through there, but you would be able to fit a 9mm into there. So we reckon, me and Rusty have done a bit of investigating, somebody's tried to convert this, they've put a 9mm bullet in, and then it's blew the chamber apart, look.
Alright.
Because there's no way that 9mm bullet was going to go through that barrel. So we reckon...
So they've kind of added bits together to try and make something up?
Yeah, well, no, what it is, they've drilled the holes big enough to put a 9mm bullet in. As they've gone to fire it, it's misfired because it's never going to go through there. And that would have been a lose your hand job there.
Alright.
So that's blew up in someone, we think, let's say, we like Poirot, me and Steve. We reckon that could have blew someone's hand off. He would have blew someone's hand off if he was holding that and it went wrong.
I can see what you mean about it.
Yeah, it blew the chamber. It blew the chamber
apart.
Clean apart. So very dangerous. Not nothing I'd keep. It's well and truly gone, and it's going to be. And that was the top part to it. That went across there, but it snapped off. Like that. Something like that.
Nice little story to it though.
Well, it's only a story me and Steve have made up.
Yeah, but that you can tell that...
it's definitely been blown apart. It's definitely,
that's what's happened.
Something's definitely gone wrong with it. Right, now I've got the solar system. So, I was over the moon when I started pulling little pieces of shot out, which I've still got to put into lemon juice just to clean them off. But then, I came across that one.
Ta-da. You and your balls.
I love my balls. I've always got one bigger one than the other one, haven't I? Every time. Yeah, so got that one out, which I'm...
Minion?
At least half a pound in weight. Oh, I'd say a Seika. A minion. Like that.
Is it a minion?
Well, you got different ones, guys. Yeah. Go on Google and have a look, because I might be wrong, but I think the Seika's about 1 inch, 2 inches across. And then if you weigh it, and it weighs up the same as what it says on the graph, I think you can determine what cannonball you've got. But these are just pieces of shot now. These could be little musket balls, they could be out of 18-pounders from the war when the bomb blown up and the ball bearings out the bomb just shoot everywhere and they've landed in the canal. But there was a lot of factories around where it was fishing, so it's potentially...
I'm pretty sure as well, things that they used to blow out the cannons during civil wars and that, they used to contain them as well, and they used to blow.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure actually.
That's that one anyway. And if you look, it's not dead circle. It's very crudely made. But it's got a lot nice hefty weight to it, really, for its size. So yeah, let's go into my cannonball collection. So I've got a cannonball in Tewkesbury, which has gone back to the museum. I've now got this one. So yeah. I'm doing well.
You are?
I'm doing well. So then guys, I think that's about it, isn't it, for the finds? We didn't bring everything back. You'll see some stuff on the video that we didn't bring back and some stuff that we showed and it wasn't on the camera, but it was that same day anyway. Me and Nigel went to Cambridge on Sunday, didn't we? Me, you and Nigel. Oh, boy have I had some finds. Boy have I had some finds. Look out for the next video, guys. If this one's a bit boring, look out for the next one. I'm going to redeem myself. So
you're on a roll lately, you are.
I'm on a roll, yeah, I'm on a roll. But catching up with you, Marie. But yeah, so like, subscribe to Peaky Dippers, guys. Name of the club, 21st of August. Location dead on to be confirmed, but it will be around the Birmingham, Midlands area. So all welcome, bring your wallets. And I'll see you on the next video. So by order of the Peaky Dippers, stay safe, guys.